I'm Oliver Lundy, and this is car photography tips in less than 60 seconds, and this is part 3. This is about lighting, or more importantly in this instance, time of day. So you want to try and shoot in golden hour. This is the first hour after sunrise and the last hour before sunset. And there's 2 reasons why you want to do it. One is that rather than the light being really high in the sky and giving you really harsh shadows, it's lower in the sky, and therefore you're getting much more like side light, and that's much easier to work with. You can get backlighting, you can do all sorts of cool stuff. Also got a really kind of orange, warm, goldeny color to it, and that can look really, really cool in lots of different situations. I'm going to put up a few different images now. One is at normal time of day, middle of the day, kind of looks a bit drab, a bit flat, and then the other one is at golden hour, loads and loads of warm light, lots of poppy colors, loads of really cool shadows. Love it, so much better. So if all you can do is get out there and shoot at sunrise or sunset, then brilliant. It's going to make a big difference to your imagery without having to change anything else. Hope that's been useful for you. If it has, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.